Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Mastery. I'm Sarah, and today we're starting something really exciting. A brand new way to practice your English speaking, step by step, together. Before we jump in, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. It really helps, and it takes 2 seconds. Okay, let's get into it. Today, I want to teach you a technique that language learners all over the world use to sound more natural, more confident, and more fluent. It's called shadowing. So what exactly is shadowing? It's simple. You listen to someone speak, and you repeat what they say almost at the same time, like a shadow following a person. You're not translating. You're not thinking about grammar. You're just copying the sounds, the rhythm, the melody of English. Think about how a small child learns to talk. A baby doesn't study grammar books. A baby just listens again and again and slowly starts copying sounds. That's exactly what shadowing does for you as an adult learner. Here's something interesting. Speaking a language is a physical skill, not just a mental one. Your mouth, your tongue, your lips, they need practice making new sounds. You can study English grammar for years, but if your mouth never practices speaking, it won't feel natural. It's like reading about swimming but never getting into the water. That's why shadowing works so well. It trains your ears and your mouth at the same time. Before we practice, let's go over 3 simple rules. Rule 1, speak out loud, not in your head, full voice. Rule 2, don't worry about understanding every word right now. Just focus on copying the sound first, meaning comes later. Rule 3, start slow and simple. Don't jump into fast native speech on day 1. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to say some simple sentences, slowly, 2 times. After each one, you repeat it out loud. I am practicing my English today. I am practicing my English today. Good. Now say it yourself, out loud. Every day, my English gets a little better. Every day, my English gets a little better. Nice. One more. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Great job. However you sounded, that's okay. That awkward feeling means your brain is learning something new. Let's quickly go over what we learned today. 1. Shadowing means listening and repeating at almost the same time. 2. It works because it trains your mouth and ears together, just like a child learning to speak. 3. Always start slow, speak out loud, and don't worry about perfection. That's it for day 1. Tomorrow, we'll go deeper into the rhythm of English sentences. And trust me, once you hear it, you'll never listen to English the same way again. If you enjoyed this, subscribe, drop a comment telling me how the practice felt, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of Easy English Mastery. Keep practicing, keep speaking. See you soon.